Checkwater. Did you know that the checkwater can pump up their bodies to make it bigger? They hide in the cracks of the rocks. Then they fill the folds of their skin with air, and it's harder for the enemies to pull them out of the cracks. The checkwater is a large lizard. It has a solid body with its stomach touching the ground. Their colors depend on where they live. They have color spots of yellow, red, pink, and orange. The spots help them to hide. They also have a sturdy and a scaly tail. Checkwaters are about 16 inches long and can weigh up 2 pounds. They can live about 15 to 20 years. My name is Dimitri. I am 7 years old. I like to eat chicken crust on my grill. I like to eat chicken cashew because it is crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. I like to play Roblox with my 2 sisters. I also like to go to the movies. My favorite movie is Avatar. I like to watch football.
Wallabies. Did you know that a wallaby looks just like a kangaroo except a little smaller? A wallaby can be only as small as 1 foot tall or up to 6 feet tall. Wallabies weigh as much as 45 pounds. They live between 12 to 15 years. They have strong, powerful legs. Their tail is as long as their body. Their tail keeps them from falling down when fighting. Some wallabies live in the desert where it is sunny and hot. A wallaby sometimes lives in the forest areas. They mostly live in Australia. Wallabies eat a lot of grass and leaves off. They also eat berries off of shrubs. Wallabies also look for food together. The wallabies' predators are foxes and dingoes. Their enemies are also large reptiles like crocodiles and snakes. They protect themselves by kicking them with their strong legs and using their strong tail. An interesting fact is that there are 30 different species of wallabies. Wallabies are marsupials. A marsupial has a pouch on their tummy. The baby lives in the pouch. A baby wallaby is called a joey. They are social with one another and live in small groups. My name is Eli. I learned a lot about wallabies.
Dingoes. Did you know that dingoes bury leftover food in dirt and dig it out later to eat? They bury it to hide it from other animals just like dogs. Dingoes look like dogs. They can be sandy yellow, some are orange, red, tan, or black. The different colors can tell you where they live. The fur of dingoes can also help them camouflage. Most of them are medium-sized. They are 20 to 40 pounds. Dingoes can be 4 to 5 feet long.
Their tails can be 12 inches long. Male dingoes are larger than female dingoes. They can also turn their heads 180 degrees. That's one out of half a way around a circle. It helps them see in different directions. They have flexible wrists to catch prey. They're like human hands. Dingoes live in the hot desert. The desert is a place with a bit of water and with cactus. The soil is dry and cracked because the sun is too hot. Dingoes are carnivorous because they only eat meat. They eat kangaroos, rabbits, birds, reptiles, rodents, and sometimes cattle and sheep. And they eat their prey. Humans are destroying their habitats. Humans also hunt and keep them as pets. Dingoes are related to dogs and Asian wolves. They like to bury leftovers in dirt and eat later. They communicate with each other by howling, snorting, and growling. Dingoes live in packs. My name is John Howell. I'm 7 years old. What I like about school is when it's PE. PE has a lot of activities to do, such as jumping jacks, kicking the ball, rocket jumps, bowling, and volleyball. We also practice dribbling the ball. I like to do homework. It's fun. I love math homework and spelling worksheets. I like playing with Jamar at his house. We play soccer. I like to eat fried chicken from King Restaurant.